Need to unlock the car, or I will smash that window open.
Joe, knock it off.
She's got me by the throat!
She's got me by the throat!
Come on.
She's got me by the throat!
Joe.
She's got me by the throat! Push me again!
Knock it off. Come on, Joe.
It hit me!
Joe, get in the
They're
car.
punching me!
No, we're not. Sit down.
A simple honk on the road, and a civilian who took the law into his own hands. What started as a driver attempting to pull over a police officer quickly devolves into an explosive roadside meltdown that leads to a forceful extraction, criminal charges, and a child caught in the middle. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because by the end, you'll also learn the exact legal steps and crucial mistakes to avoid if you ever find yourself in a high-tension traffic interaction like this.
The reason I stopped you is because you were honking at me and following at an unsafe distance?
No, I wasn't.
Okay. Okay, do you have your driver's license on you?
I sure don't.
23 com, who's that come back to?
You better call your chief right now, you
That's not very nice.
Well, I have the right to pull you over. You were on the phone and you were doing something wrong.
So you were trying to pull me over?
Did you not see the lights flashing?
Okay. Sounds good.
Get your chief down here now.
He's not coming.
Yeah, he is.
And you're not free yet.
It begins with an unusual role reversal. A driver follows a police vehicle, honking his horn and flashing his lights to force the officer to pull over. When the officer initiates a stop, the driver instantly becomes aggressive, refusing to identify himself and demanding to see the chief.
10-4 the driver is.
10-4. Scream for help. Get out of the car and scream for help. Help.
He's now got his child stepping out of the car to scream for help.
Help!
Bud, you don't have to do that.
He's going to do it because you're
Help! 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 Help!
He's actually requesting a supervisor now, if one is available.
It's not your supervisor.
Nope, he's on his way.
Okay.
We could just sit here and wait for him.
Instead of de-escalating, the driver escalates the situation by involving his young child, instructing the kid to step out of the vehicle and scream for help. What should have been a routine investigation immediately turns into a chaotic public scene.
Help! Help!
Sir, do you want me to explain the law to you? Or do you want my supervisor to?
The law that I was honking my horn at?
No, that you have to identify yourself.
Only if I had committed a crime, which I have not done.
I told you the reason.
No, that's not a
Okay.
crime. Honking the horn at you is not a crime.
Okay.
You do realize that, right?
You're just getting yourself more tickets.
What law is honking the horn at you?
Okay.
What law, you dumb fat is honking the horn at you?
So the tickets I'm going to give you is for following too closely and unlawful use of horn are the two ones. That's furthering my reason for the ticket.
The officer explains the reasons for the stop: unlawful use of the horn and following too closely. The driver repeatedly refuses to present his license, arguing that honking isn't a crime and insisting he won't comply until a supervisor arrives.
He was flashing his lights at me and following like this close. I turned here, he's blaring his horn at me, so I pulled over. He got 100 me and I pulled him over for following too close and to see if he was in distress. He's failing to identify himself. I just happened to know because Kim had said she dealt with somebody who was very uncooperative, and I think it's him. Can I take him to jail for not identifying himself?
We know who he is.
Now,
So,
I'm going to give him an obstruction ticket
yeah.
and following too close.
Yeah, if you want to start working on those, and
Yeah.
we'll get him out of here.
When the supervisor arrives, the driver claims he was tracking down the officer to file a complaint for alleged phone use while driving. Rather than handling the matter through official channels, he chooses an aggressive confrontation right on the roadside.
Called me yesterday harassing me, and then now she's pulling me over because she's breaking the law. And you guys want to write me a ticket because you don't want to sit in front of a judge in front of
For
one of your...
what? Talking on her cell phone?
Is it against the law to be using electronic devices while operating a vehicle? Is it against the law in the state of Wisconsin?
Not to talk on your cell phone like this. No, it is not.
Since when is it not to be on your phone?
In a construction zone, it is. If you're on your phone like this, you can be hands-free in a construction zone, but you can be on your cellular device talking on the phone like this. That is not illegal. Okay, for us or for anybody driving, unless you're in a construction zone.
Okay.
Okay, so if she's on her cell phone,
I don't care what
she
you guys
can be
are
on there
doing.
talking.
Anytime you guys are doing something wrong, this is what it's going to be. And if you guys are going to try to pull me over,
The supervisor shuts down the driver's legal theory, explaining that holding a phone while driving isn't illegal in Wisconsin unless in a construction zone. Realizing his complaint holds no legal weight, the driver becomes increasingly hostile and threatens court action.
did I break the law?
Okay, so stay put. Don't make the saying worse than it has to be, Joel.
What are you going to do about it?
Stop.
I dare any one of you dumb to try to put your hands on me.
Just stop. We don't want to have to.
No, you started this. You're allowing your
I didn't
officer.
start anything.
No, I was behind your fat officer.
If you be quiet and give us a minute, we'll be done here.
No, there's no minute, you dumb.
Well, whatever, Joel. Obviously, we're not going to come to any sort of agreement here. So, yeah, if you continue to do it.
As officers attempt to hand him his citations, the driver dares them to lay hands on him, shouting aggressive threats from inside his vehicle. His refusal to disengage pushes officers from writing traffic tickets directly into making a full criminal arrest.
Why don't we just take it to DC at this point?
What's that?
Take him to jail for DC.
Okay.
Stop, Joel.
You need to unlock the car, or I will smash that window open.
For what?
Get out.
For what?
Step out, Joel.
Disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct? A ticket?
Was going to be a ticket, but now it's not.
Joel, you make this stuff worse, dude, by the way
Dude,
you
you guys
act.
did this. This fat called me yesterday.
Just
Let me
stop.
go.
Joel, knock it off.
She got me by the throat.
I mean,
She's got me by the throat. Stop. She's got me by the throat.
Come on.
She's got me by the throat.
Joel.
She's got me by the throat.
When noncompliance crosses into disorderly conduct, officers move in for an arrest. After he refuses orders to step out, officers force the door open and physically extract him, leading to an intense struggle as the driver claims he is being choked.
Joel, you need to...
Dude, you guys are
Listen.
doing this over nothing.
we're going to do another search.
Dude, you're
Let
letting
them
them
finish
over
searching you.
pushing their boundaries.
No, I'm not.
For what?
You're the one
What?
that's being the jerk out here.
Why?
We're not doing anything.
How am I
yet.
being a jerk?
Because the way you're acting.
Dude, I just got pulled over for nothing.
It's not for nothing, Joel. She explained to you why she pulled you over. You just don't agree with it. That's the problem.
Does that sound good?
So is it this going to be lawful by a judge that you guys are arresting somebody for
You'll have your day in
honking their
court.
horn?
You'll have your day in court.
All right, let's go.
Wait until I find where you are. Push me again.
The struggle intensifies at the squad car as the suspect violently resists getting inside and kicks at officers. Officers are forced to physically secure him into the patrol vehicle before transporting him to the jail facility.
Roll my window down so I tell my kid to stop. I'm trying to tell my kid to stop. Roll my window down.
No.
I'm going to tell him to stop. You heard
No.
him. He has disabilities. Stop. I'm going to sue you. I'm going to sue you, you stupid.
En route to the jail.
You think the judge is going to be very happy this all started over honking my horn?
I don't
You
know.
think my lawyer's going to be happy with that?
Following the arrest, court records reveal the suspect had an extensive history of legal issues. In this case, he ultimately pleaded guilty to 2 counts of resisting or obstructing an officer, receiving probation, anger management classes, and a court order to write an apology. This incident highlights a complete breakdown of composure and respect during a routine traffic stop. While citizens have every right to file complaints against police misconduct, weaponizing tantrums and using a child as leverage on the side of the road only leads to severe legal consequences. So, what should you actually do if you find yourself in a similar situation? The side of the road is never the courtroom. If an officer initiates a stop, provide your required identification and documentation smoothly. You have the constitutional right to record police interactions, but do so quietly without interfering with their investigation or physically resisting commands. If you believe an officer broke the law or issued an improper citation, note their badge number and file a formal complaint with Internal Affairs, or let your lawyer address it in front of a judge. Roadside aggression will only upgrade a minor civil ticket into a felony criminal record. Now I want to turn this over to you. Was this a case of a citizen standing up for his rights, or did he turn a minor disagreement into an unnecessary criminal arrest? Where do you draw the line between asserting your rights and disorderly behavior? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more detailed breakdowns of real-world legal and law enforcement encounters. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update.